Which of the following cranial nerves which of the following cranial nerves is responsible for the sense of smell? Olfactory nerve, trigeminal nerve, facial nerve, optic nerve. The hint is this is the first cranial nerve and is directly related to a specific sensory function. Olfactory nerve is the first cranial nerve and is responsible for the sense of smell. Next question. The foramen magnum is a large opening in which bone of the skull? Answers are frontal bone, sphenoid bone, temporal bone, and occipital bone. Think about the bone at the posterior and inferior part of the skull. The foramen magnum is located in the occipital bone and allows the spinal cord to pass through and connect to the medulla oblongata. Next question. Which of the following is the largest artery in the human body? Common carotid artery, femoral artery, pulmonary artery, aorta. The hint is this artery originates from left ventricle of the heart and distributes oxygenated blood throughout the body. Aorta is the main artery that carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body, making it the largest artery. Next question. The parotid gland is a major salivary gland located anterior to which structure? The thyroid gland, submandibular gland, masseter muscle, sternocleidomastoid. The hint is consider the major muscle of mastication that is the cheek that is in the cheek region. The masseter muscle, the parotid gland is located superficial to and partially overlaps the masseter muscle which is involved in chewing. Which layer of the skin is primarily composed of adipose tissue? Dermis, hypodermis, sternum corneum, epidermis. This layer is also known as the subcutaneous tissue. The hypodermis or subcutaneous layer is the deepest layer of the skin and is primarily composed of fat cells. Next question. Which of the following structures is located in the mediastinum? Kidneys, stomach, heart, lungs. This structure is a muscular organ that pumps blood and is centrally located in the thoracic cavity. Heart is located in the middle mediastinum along with great vessels, esophagus, and trachea. The sciatic nerve is formed by nerve roots from which plexus? Cervical plexus, brachial plexus, lumbar plexus, sacral plexus. This plexus is located in the pelvis and supplies the lower limb. Sacral plexus, that is the right answer. The sciatic nerve is the largest nerve in the body and is formed by nerve roots from the sacral plexus. Next question. Which muscle is the primary extensor of the knee joint? Adductor magnus, gastrocnemius, quadriceps femoris, hamstrings. This is a group of four muscles on the anterior aspect of the thigh. Quadriceps femoris. The quadriceps femoris is a group of four muscles that are the most powerful extensors of the knee joint. The dura mater, arachnoid mater, and pia mater are the three layers of the meninges. Which of these is the most outermost layer? Pachymenings, dura mater, pia mater, and arachnoid mater. This layer is the toughest and is found closest to the skull. Dura mater is a thick, tough outermost layer of the meninges, providing a protective covering for the brain and spinal cord. Next question. The cubital fossa is a triangular space located anterior to the elbow joint. Which of the following is not a boundary of the cubital fossa? Medial epicondyle of the humerus, brachioradialis muscle, pronator teres, imaginary line connecting the two epicondyles. Recall the three main borders of the space. Medial epicondyle of the humerus. The cubital fossa is bordered medially by the pronator teres muscle, not the medial epicondyle. Thank you.